Thank God Almighty for making this successful. Also, you, my subscriber, if you have not subscribed, click on the subscription button, download link in the video, do well to stay till the end and get the link of the character as a bonus. Before we start, I ask myself three things. Who am I helping? What confusion can I remove? And how can this make your work easier? Welcome back. Before we jump into these steps, let's keep our focus on making this process as user-friendly as possible for beginners. Step 1. We begin by importing our reference image. We will lower the opacity to 50% so we can easily trace over it without any distraction. Once that is done, we will resize the image to fit our workspace and then select our vector layer. Remember to give it a clear name like head so everything stays organized. Next, we'll focus on the head shape. We'll pick a reference color for the skin tone directly from the style panel using the reference image. Then, using the shape tool, we'll outline the head adjusting the anchor point. The shortcut for the shape tool is transform to which is T. We outline the head adjusting the anchor point as we go. Don't worry if you need to undo or refine, is all part of the process. After that, we'll create another layer for the ear, add the point to shape it precisely. Keep those shortcuts handy. A is to add point, U is to create shape. We will let you quickly insert and adjust shape. Make your workflow smoother. As we progress, keep your layer organized and named properly. It is small steps that makes a big difference. Once everything is in place, we will move on to recoloring and rearranging group. Grouping them for a clean and efficient workflow. And remember, if there's anything you don't understand or if you need help, just leave a comment. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's get started and have fun with it. Please stay to the end. There's a download link that's going to be shown on the screen as the video is going on, so you can get the copy of the character created by me if you want it, or you can also create your own, but there's a download link on it. Just stay to the end. Thank you. Do well to like, share and subscribe. Hope to see you on the next video. Please click on the notification button. I'll be waiting for your comments. I'll be willing to assist you on any of your journey choices, creating your own design. God bless.
Take me back.